Hey guys, today's episode we're making homemade popsicles.
I'm gonna have a helper to do everything. So this is my helper, my son.
So now time for the popsicles. First we're gonna be using a whole cup of strawberries. Then half a cup of blueberries. And then we're going to use half a cup of cherry juice. And this is optional. I'm going to put in milk so it can be a little creamy. And now we're going to start blending. So now that everything is blended, we're gonna pour it into the popsicles trays. Looks like we didn't make enough, but I guess that's okay. And that is how you make strawberry blueberry popsicles. I'll be back to show you the finished product.
Hey guys, it's actually a week later and we only have 2 popsicles left because someone went ahead and had one without me being able to film the reaction. So we are going to do that now. So let's see, Aiden, how are these popsicles?
They actually taste really good.
Yeah, I forgot, you already know. So they're very firm, as you can see, and the color is pretty nice. So, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Okay. So a healthy popsicle made by
Me.
and this is just showing you ways to get the kids involved, making healthy treats that they enjoy, that they look forward to, that they eat before you're ready to film them eating them. But nevertheless, this was fun. I'm glad he enjoys it, and we will be doing this again, maybe with a different flavor. Until next time.
Bye.
Thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T.